Is it okay for 2 plus 2?
Okay, but first of all, give me the answer of 3 plus 3.
It's 6.
Yeah, it's very hard, but you did it. Amjad,
Take time. 3, 6.
what is 7 minus 2?
4.
7 minus 2 is
No,
4?
5, 5, 5.
5, 5, 5, 5. Okay. Abdullah?
4 and 5 like the line.
Yeah. Abdullah?
Yes.
Another hard question for you. Look. 5 minus 1.
It's easy. 4.
4. Exactly.
It's in KG 3.
Ahmed Omar?
Sure. Yes.
Super hard question for you. 12 plus 1?
13.
13.
That's very easy.
May someone say, Mister, we studied this lesson in grade 1. Why do you study it again? Why do you teach it? Why do you teach it again?
Cool.
Why do you teach it again? It's actually not our lesson today. It's something from our lesson. It's related to our lesson today. So pay attention. Our lesson today will be like that. Its title is, look, add and subtract. What do you think? Fractions. Add and subtract fractions. Okay. So I promise you will understand this lesson. It will be like a piece of cake. Let me give you the first example. If I write here 2 over 5 or 2/5, 2/5 plus 1 over 5 or 1/5. How can I add these two fractions? Look and listen. We have to do this line for fraction in the answer. First of all, we have to check the two denominators. Are they the same? 5 here, 5 here. Yeah, they are the same. So I have to write here again in the place of denominator. Then all what I need here is to add the two numerators, 2 and 1. 2 plus 1 is 3. This is the answer, 3 over 5. Firas?
Yeah.
Did you understand?
Yeah.
2 over 8 plus 1 over 8. How can you do that?
2 plus 1.
2 plus 1?
It's 3.
3. Then?
And
what about the denominator?
8.
Yeah. Should we say 8 plus 8? No, we have to write 8 as itself. Okay? So don't say 8 plus 8. It's a big mistake if you do that. 8 and 8, write that again. Here in the place of denominator. This is the answer, 3/8. You understand?
Yeah.
Thank you. Sattam? Sattam? Saad?
Yes.
3/4 plus 1/4 or 1/4. Yes, Saad?
So I do 4 plus 1.
Where is 4 plus 1? Just do 3 plus 1. The two numerators together. 3 and 1. What is 3 plus 1?
4.
4. And what about the denominator? 4 and 4. Just keep it as itself. Okay?
Okay.
So it's 4 over 4. Can you tell me what is 4 over 4? Like 4 divided by 4. 4 divided by 4 is actually like 1. You remember?
Ah, yes. If you
4 over
What?
4 is actually like 1.
anything times 1, it's the same number.
Yeah, and everything, any number divided by itself, it will be like 1, except 0. Talal
It
Dawood.
will be 0 if it's 0.
No, it doesn't work. Talal,
Yes, mister.
you understand the lesson or you need more help?
More help.
Okay, 2 over 9 plus 3 over 9. What is the two denominators and what is the what are the two numerators and what are the two denominators?
The denominators is the 9 and 5.
I'm sorry. Look, it's 9, not 5.
Then the denominator is the 9 and 9.
We have to write 9 and 9 again. Only 9. Okay.
Yes.
Then,
And then 5.
yeah, 5. Is it easy or hard?
But I didn't understand the minus.
Okay, let's take another one for minus.
You say
5
minus 1.
over, wait, 5 over 6 minus 1 over 6. The same.
How?
What
You
is the two
can't minus
what
the
are
1, 5 from the 1.
listen. What are the two denominators?
6.
Write it again.
6.
Okay. Then what is 5 minus 1?
4.
4.
But you can't minus 1 by 5.
Why?
Because
If
5
you,
is bigger.
yeah, if we have 5 fingers, can we take out one from them?
But if you there's a question in the homework, say 1 minus 5.
Look,
Like this.
1
Or
minus
3 minus
5, I don't accept it. But 5 minus 1, I accept it.
So what I write in the homework?
5 minus 1 is 4.
Okay.
Okay, can you simplify it? Simplify means you have to divide both of the numerator and denominator by the same number. 4 and 6, are they even or odd numbers?
Even.
Even. So can we divide both of them by 2?
Yes.
We can. 4 divided by 2 and 6 divided by 2. What's 4 divided by 2?
2.
2. And what's 6 divided by 2?
3.
3. So the answer in the simplest form is 2 over 3. If you ask me, Mister, can I keep the answer and 4 over 6? Yeah, you can just write 4 over 6. It's totally right. Amjad?
Teacher,
Yes.
how do I put multiply or divide?
When I ask you to find the simplest form, do division. Okay?
If it's even number, I divide.
Divide both of them by 2.
If it's odd,
Like 3 and 6?
yes.
Look, 3 and 6. One is odd and the other one is even. Can we divide 3 by 2? No. Can we divide
No.
6 by 2? Yes.
Yes.
But it doesn't work. So we have to find number we can
Multiply.
divide. No. We have to divide both numbers by the same number. Can we divide 3 by 3?
Yes.
Can we divide 6 by 3?
Yes.
So we can do that. What's 3 divided by 3?
1.
1. What's 6 divided by 3? 2. You understand that?
Yes.
Okay. Amjad,
Yes.
what do you think about this one? 3 over 9 plus 1 over 9.
4.
4 over?
4 over 9.
Over 9. That's okay. Now please listen to this video to understand more about this topic. then we are going to answer questions from our book.
Adding and subtracting fractions with common denominators. Remember that whenever we're adding or subtracting fractions, they must have a common denominator. Here we'll look at a few examples of adding and subtracting fractions that do have common denominators. There are 5 main things we need to remember when adding or subtracting fractions with common denominators. Firstly, the denominator in the answer is the same as the denominator in the fractions we're starting with. For example, if we're adding 3/5 and 1/5, the denominator of the answer will be 5. The second thing is, when we're adding fractions, we add up the numerators in the fractions we're starting with to get the numerator in our answer. For example, when adding 3/5 and 1/5, we add the numerators 3 plus 1 to give us 4. So 3/5 plus 1/5 is equal to 4/5. If we're subtracting fractions, we just subtract the numerators in the fractions we're starting with to get the numerator in our answer. For example, if we're subtracting 5/13 from 8/13, we subtract the numerator 5 from the numerator 8 to give us the numerator 3 in our answer. So 8/13 minus 5/13 is equal to 3/13. The fourth thing we must remember is, if the resulting fraction can be reduced, we must always reduce it to its lowest terms. For example, if we're subtracting 6/15 from 11/15, 11 minus 6 is 5, so the answer comes out to 5/15.